Here are the top 3 crypto pre-sale projects you absolutely need to load up on in the month of September before these projects launch. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about 3 pre-sale gems that have crazy 100x potential that you absolutely need to load up on, especially in times like today where the markets are down. If you're in the market, let's have some projects that could potentially make you a solid bag. And the first project on this list is a project that would be familiar to you if you've been subscribed to the channel for some time now, and that is Pepe Unchain. So Pepe now has his own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during pre-sale to max out on your rewards before the price skyrockets. The current rewards they offer is 153% AP. Pepe Unchain offers better speeds, better gains, and same delicious Pepe flavor, instant bridging between ETH and Pepe chain, low transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and a dedicated block explorer. Now in the next 10 hours they're having their next price hike, so if you want to buy at the absolute lowest price, now is your time to buy. And this project has raised over $13.5 million in the pre-sale alone. Guys, by the time this launches, it's probably going to raise $20 million, and potentially when listed, it could hit a $100 million market cap. Now if you love Pepe and you love these meme style projects, this is going to be the one project you want to load up on. Even on Twitter, they're growing pretty fast, over almost 15,000 followers, decent social engagement, and posting very regular, building a solid community. Everything I like to see in a pre-sale project, this project is displaying, which is solid to see. So Pepe Unchain, the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes. Pepe token powers the entire ecosystem. You're early enough to witness a new generation, a golden age of meme coins, with Pepe in its rightful place as king and Pepe Unchain layer to his kingdom. So just wants to add that extra bonus to Pepe token, right? And again, we've seen meme tokens in the past before. When they rely on a project, they do pretty well. Remember Play Doge, right? Which is a play on Dogecoin, and it went and did phenomenal things. I anticipate Play Doge or Pepe Unchain to do something very similar. Pre-sale 20%, staking 30%, marketing 20%, liquidity 10%, project fund 10%, or the project finance 10%, and then the chain inventory 10%. The point is, guys, if you love meme coins and you love Pepe coin, this is going to be a solid investment. Obviously not financial advice, but back to the list. Let's go to the next project on this list, and the next project on the list is Pepe or Shiva Shootout. Now this project is absolutely insane because it's just raised over $1 million, but also offering a massive reward, and to be exact, 842% AP, which is absolutely insane. So there's a meme coin that has a Shiba Inu themed meme coin, which is amazing, and it's play to earn, as well as massive staking, farming, and yielding, and it's just raised over $1 million in pre-sale already, so we're very, very low. In the next 6 days, they're having another price hike, so if you want to buy the lowest price, now is your time to buy it. But what is Shiba Shootout? So play to earn means the Doge gone wild west. Shiba Shootout pits a legendary Doge icon in play to earn wild western combat, engaging epic gun battles in towns of the Shiba Gulch, where Marshall Shiba and Shiba sharpshooters are the stars of the unique mobile game experience. And we see the game is currently on iOS as well as the Google Play Store, so we get Apple and Android depending on what phone you're using. But it's cool to see that they have that play to earn, and the Web3 app is coming very soon as well. And then with the 2 stars, we got Marshall Ship and the Shiba sharpshooters. Those are the main characters. Exploring the Gulch, so the town, witness a great crypto shadow, so a whole story. And tokenomics breakdown is pretty simple yet straightforward. 35% went towards a pre-sale, 20% to staking, 5% to the rootin' and tootin' shooter fund, 20% to marketing, 10% to project fund, and 10% to liquidity. And then the token utility, so to post rewards, the campfire stories, which I guess is a community building side of this, the governance roundups, the lucky loss of lotteries. So again, a lottery element as well. Try your luck in the lucky loss of lottery system, where participants use SHIB Showdown's tokens for a chance to win some big crypto prizes, with a portion of supporting charitable initiatives. Saving saddlebags, use saving saddlebags to automatically allocate a percentage of your tokens to a dedicated wallet, locked for a specific period, and earning extra tokens on your rewards. And they also have staking as well, the cactus staking. Everything's themed in this fun Western era. And they have a 3-step plan as well. Their roadmap FAQ tab, and all the links are social on the website. Website is clean. The project is looking pretty solid. They have just over 2,000 followers, and we see other influencers talking about this project as well. And again, this guy's playing Shiva Shootout when his girlfriend has to tie her up with a rope. It's memes. At the end of the day, it's community, it's memes. That's what we like to see. Especially on Twitter right now, we see Coinbase is trending, so crypto is still trending right now. And this is a time to load up on meme coins, especially getting to projects mega early, which would be pre-sale gems just like this. Now, the third pre-sale project you absolutely are gonna love on this list today is MemeBets Casino. Now, this is really fun because you buy and wager your already favorite, or not even buy, but the tokens you already own, your favorite meme coins. You can buy and wager them in this awesome online casino. Now, this project is so brand new. They've just only raised $238,000, and here's what it's all about. So buy and bet MemeBets for airdrop rewards, and 6 hours are having the next price increase. We've seen it's already been featured in a ton of different articles and blog posts, which is great. So Memes Token, the casino for memes degens. MemesBet is launching a MemeBet Casino, the only web and telegram casino where you can wager with meme coins. Buy MemeBets to earn massive play to earn airdrops, special degen rewards, and exclusive VIP benefits. So again, you can buy and wager with your already owned favorite meme coins, but if you do buy MemeBets tokens, you're gonna get massive rewards as well. But again, before we even go to the deep dive, the whole point is, guys, this could be absolutely massive, and people owning the utility token, we can see a crazy pump, right? We're all in it for the bag. This could be a potential opportunity, right? So we can play with meme coins, deposit and play with your favorite meme coins in the MemeBets Casino. Whether you're a PEP holder or an OG Doge holder, you'll be able to deposit and play with your meme bag. Awesome. Play to earn airdrops. Get rewarded for playing in the casino with their play to earn wagers. Benefits: the more you wager, the more you earn in airdrops and rewards. 20% of the supply is dedicated to this. So awesome. And exclusive holder benefits for those who decide to buy and hold MemeBets. Holders will unlock exclusive bonuses and challenges within the MemeBets Casino. So load up on MemeBets token now at the best possible price in our pre-sale. So that's awesome to see. All right, and then we see the MemeBets features. We see no KYC Telegram Casino, crypto casino games, and then global sportsbook. So again, it's solid. The no KYC is obviously very big as well, especially in the DeFi space. We see the DJ Casino opportunity. The meme coin sector hits more than $60 billion market cap in 2024, while crypto casinos like Rollbet have generated raising trading volumes, showing the sector's huge potential. MemeBets Casino strategically targets two audience: Telegram's 1 billion plus user of meme coins target bots, and the degens crypto gamblers. So no one else but MemeBets Casino dishes out a lucrative bonuses to degens for wagering with meme coins. We're turbocharging your gains. So your crypto casino currently representing just 0.1% of the global casino industry. This is a sector with growth trajectory is poised for a sharp ascent as crypto adoption is surging, and that is very, very true. We can also see a massive sponsorship or partnership with Argentina's main soccer team, the Argentinian national football or soccer team, depending on where you're watching this, which is absolutely massive. Now, guys, all of these projects have a unique utility, and that's what goes to show the reason why a meme coin will go on to be successful or not is, one, how big the community is, and two, how unique it is compared to what's already out in the market. And all three of these projects have their own unique standpoint, which makes them a solid investment choice. Now, guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, but let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish on these projects? Are you bearish on these projects? Is there a pre-sale gem that I miss? Make sure you comment down below. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, is your friend Umar. Peace.